Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for all things tech. Today, we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards and taking a closer look at the OnePlus Keyboard 81 Pro. Now, you might notice a familiar design here, as this keyboard shares some DNA with the Keychron Q1 Pro. But don't be quick to dismiss it. There are some intriguing tweaks that OnePlus has made to the formula. Let's jump right in. Before we get into the OnePlus Keyboard 81 Pro, let's talk about its sibling, the Keychron Q1 Pro. The Q1 Pro is already recognized as one of the best mechanical keyboards out there. It boasts a solid aluminum chassis, a gasket-mounted switch plate for premium typing feel, and standout features like hot swappable switches and customization via the powerful software VIA. Now, the OnePlus Keyboard 81 Pro might seem like a redesigned Keychron Q1 Pro, but it's more than just that. While I won't go as far as saying it's superior, there are some neat tweaks that OnePlus has introduced. Keep in mind that the Keyboard 81 Pro comes with a price range of $219 to $239, compared to the $199 price tag of the Q1 Pro. The question is it worth the extra dollars? Let's dive into what makes the OnePlus Keyboard 81 Pro stand out. First off, it features an added kickstand that lets you adjust the typing angle. This is a feature missing in the standard Q1 Pro. The kickstand is sturdy and maintains its position, providing a welcomed ergonomic advantage. Though, you might want to be cautious not to overdo the elevation for comfortable typing. Moving on, OnePlus has opted for a more traditional keycap shape compared to the Q1 Pro. This design shift is subtle but impactful. The OnePlus keyboard ships with cylindrical keycaps, offering a modern look and feel, unlike the Q1 Pro's spherical angle keycaps. The material choice also varies based on the switch type. The tactile version features darker gray double-shot PBT keycaps, while the linear version comes with lighter gray keycaps made of a material OnePlus calls marble mallow. Now, let's talk about the typing experience. OnePlus decided to go the custom route with its branded switches, matching the keyboard's color scheme. These switches, whether tactile or linear, add a unique touch to the typing feel. The linear switches, for instance, offer a quieter typing experience, making them suitable for office or video call use. The typing sound and feel are slightly different from the Q1 Pro, creating a distinct vibe. As we wrap up, it's essential to consider both the pros and cons of the OnePlus Keyboard 81 Pro's redesign. The color scheme, added controls, and unique keycap shape are definite highlights. On the other hand, some design choices, like the transparent volume dial, are a hit or miss. Whether these changes are worth the slight price premium is up to you. To sum it up, the OnePlus Keyboard 81 Pro brings its own flavor to the table, building upon the solid foundation of the Q1 Pro. From the distinct keycap design to the customized switches and added ergonomic features, it's more than just a rebadge. If you're in the market for a premium mechanical keyboard that offers a unique touch, the OnePlus Keyboard 81 Pro is certainly worth considering. And there you have it, folks. That's our take on the OnePlus Keyboard 81 Pro. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful tech explorations. Until next time, keep exploring and experimenting with the tech world. Catch you in the next video.